Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to pipsyndicate. My name's Bobby. I just want to do a quick recap of a trade we took this morning live. We trade every day around 9 a.m. for the for the New York session. Okay, usually US30. Sometimes we trade NASDAQ or gold, whichever one gives us the best setup, but it usually seems to be US30. So I'm going to show you this morning exactly what happened here, guys. We were undefeated again this week, by the way. And we trade the 1 minute. And when I came on the stream, like 8:55, like right here on this candle, this is when I came on. I noticed that it had already broke structure. Now this session bias thing was mixed. It wasn't bullish. It's bullish now because I'm making this video at night. So right now it's lit up bullish. But today when I traded this live, it said mixed. Okay, today's date is 5/29/2026. If you want to see how this trade played out live, just go to the live section of the channel, and you'll see the video there where we actually took the trade live, like we do every day. All right, guys, so I'm going to start it. Okay, I just turned on the computer, and it's not exactly how it was because obviously, I'm just reenacting. So you could go see the real video if you want. But this is what happened. I turned on the computer. I was getting ready to do the stream. I noticed we already broke structure, so I was waiting for it to pull back to this fair value gap. I talked about that already, and I put the box there, and I was waiting to see if it would pull back all the way to here, and that would be our entry for a sell. So let's see what happened, guys. You can see it came right up there. Okay, I entered the trade. It came right down. I already have a TP marked here. It's about 50 pips. Okay, I usually try to find 50 pips or 60 pips, something with a little structure, and take a TP. Okay, right there, I got out. I took half. Okay, now we're waiting. We're waiting for the market. We're like, okay, it's not even 9:30 yet. We're waiting for the open. Boom, there it goes, guys. I ended up closing. Let me pause it. I ended up closing on the stream on this candle. Let me go back a little because let me show you. You can see there's an area here, and it could be sweeping liquidity here. So I ended up closing like right around here somewhere. I got about 80 pips. I don't know, that should be here. I wrote it on the screen. Yeah, it was about 80 pips I got. So we took about 80 pips this morning on a Friday. Not bad. I don't really like to trade Fridays because the volume dies out too early. So what we do is we'll take a profit, right? We took half right here, then we close full here around 80 pips. After I take profit, I put a stop loss. I believe I put it right, I forget now, over here somewhere. But in profit, I always put the stop loss in profit once we take profit. Then the trade is secure. So guys, come join us, man. We do this every morning, 9 o'clock. Okay, we're usually done by 9:30, 10 o'clock, sometimes the latest, I'm not sitting here talking for 3 hours. We try to get we call it our win for the day, and then we go fishing. So, guys, my name's Bobby. Give me a like and subscribe, guys. Come trade with us, man. Check it out. We do this every morning, like I said. I'll see you guys Monday morning, man. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Cheers, my friends. You have a great day on purpose. God bless you.